Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! I have my eggnog here. Is it spiked? We don't know. It's like 10:45 p.m. I'm staying in the house. I am following regulations. I am minding my business, and I am doing the things that matter. I like to bring the new year with clear, conscious mind, sober mind, and literally just being very intentional on the things that matter to me. Reflect on the previous year. And I like to look forward to the New Year's. How many mental breakdowns do we have? The girlies don't know, but what really matters is how many you've overcome, right? 2020 tried to take a lot of us out, but we're still here. I'm still here, period. Let's talk about manifestation and everything that comes into making a vision board and making a good one that you're able to come to pass. Like my last vision board that I did, I don't have it with me since I'm out of town for the holidays, but I manifested 8 out of 10 things on my vision board. Like, what? Like, am I a fortune teller? Do I belong in Hogwarts? Like, I made them come to pass, period. Manifestation and manifesting is speaking into existence the things that you want to happen in your life, showing visuals of those things, speaking them into your life. Those are things that I've been doing for a very long time. I know I'm a beauty creator slash lifestyle slash mom slash all that, but also this is something that's very important to me. This is not me just randomly doing this. I've been doing this for years. I am very big on my words, the things that you say, the things that you put into the atmosphere, the things you put into the universe. It's really important that you are conscious and concise about the things that you're speaking into your future. Like, no one wants the best for you other than you. You feel me? Even down to like, oh, I'm having a bad day. And guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna continue to have a bad day. Like if I'm having a bad moment, I'll be like, this is a weird moment that I'm having, but I'm not gonna let it affect my entire day. So like mindset, speaking, visualizing, all of these things are so important for manifesting, and your mindset is like the first step. Then after that, you gotta put into work, baby. What do you need to make your vision board? You need a board. It can be any size you want. I got a huge one because I'm extra. I went to Michael's. I got any arts and crafts that I thought that I needed. So I knew that I wanted to decorate my board and have it match enough for the aesthetics of my bedroom so that I can put it somewhere in my room and I can look at it every single day. Okay, this is a year thing, so make sure it's nice. You also can just do pictures. Don't let the way that I am doing this make you think this is the only way. I'll definitely tag down below some other videos that you can use as a reference. Just don't use magazines, because unless you got 30,000 magazines, you really want this to be an all-night process, by all means. But I think that that's like the dated way to do it now, because we have the internet. We can pick exactly the pictures that we want. All right, get like a journal, something of that sort. So I start a new journal every year. This is my one for this year that I'm going to be using. I reflected on my goals from the previous year, and then from there I gave my gratitude to the Lord, and I started to write down my new goals. I made some pretty big goals, period. I got big things planned for myself. I feel like 2020 was a good year for growth, honey. Like hard growth. Like some things that I had manifested. So I said that I wanted to get paid sponsorships, got my paid sponsorships. I wanted to be in a better relationship with who I have children with. So, and I'm not gonna say that we was beefing, but we was kind of beefing at the beginning of 2020, and now we are in a happy, harmonious relationship. Like I love him. So like these are things, like some of the things that I manifested into my life, and I just did not know how they were gonna happen in 2020, but I knew that as long as that I was visualizing and I was seeing those things, that I would be able to figure out how to put in the work, and with the help of those being put into motion, my works and my actions would follow behind to make sure they came to pass. And then from there, I went onto my computer, I picked pictures, you know, big keywords, things that I wanted to print out. Then from there, I took my info, because I know no one has a printer. Why do you have a printer in 2021? Anyway, I took the pictures that I wanted. I made sure that I resized them beforehand. My board is huge, so I wanted to make sure that my pictures were big so I can cut around them. I'm extra, okay? So I took all my pictures and made them into 3024 by 4032s. and then I enlarged those pictures and I made them into the sizes that I wanted. Then I sent those over to FedEx office, which was right down from where I was. I did it on glossy paper. We spent the money. I want my stuff to look nice, and then from there I was able to pick them up in an hour. Now we are here in the evening and we are going to get to work. So I'm going to be showing you guys my board. It's not going to be finished. I'm also particular about the things that I like to have in the open, and my goals and my dreams, my aspirations that I'm actively working towards and speaking into my life. I obviously want to keep private because people really will plot on you, okay? And they will be actively speaking against you, and I don't have the time. Not on my dreams. Do that on y'all. The doubt out of your mind, make sure you have a clear head. Make sure you pray or wherever you do to relax, and then get to going, okay? Altogether, my board cost me about $60. I do be using the coupons up. Michael's had like a 20% coupon, plus I had like a $5 coupon. I'm like, make them separate purchases, babe. Here I also have my new 2020-2021. This is like an 18-month one. I got this from Michael's as well. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's really pretty. It's a hardback, girl. It's a hardback cover. Like, this nice. This is what I use to do all of my planning for my videos. I know at this point everyone likes to go digital, and I'd like to do a digital one as well, but something for me about writing down in different color pens, just like I was in 8th grade, just does it for me. Like, you remember walking down the hall? Make sure you are picking these things that you are being very specific. So the version that I'm going to show you on here is not going to be my finished version. Like, if I want to get rich, like, be specific. Tierra is going to get 20K a month. Put that somewhere. 20K. Pandemic. Like, you know what I mean? So be very specific with your words, your choices. I use visual pictures that were very personal to me so that they are known. And then the last part that I'm going to do, which I'm not going to put on camera, is use these stickers that I got so that I can really like put words on there. So like, I have vacation. I'm going to put the places that I want to go. Aruba, Nigeria. Like, be specific. So then whenever you're walking past this every day, you see it every morning, you're in bed, you don't feel like getting out of bed, you don't get out of bed because Nigeria ain't cheap. Like, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been drinking this same eggnog for hours. Really hope that you guys are able to have a fresh start for 2021. We are excited, we are organized, we have a clear head. We are gonna reach our goals, and it's really important to stay steadfast. It is important to stay focused. I think the biggest thing in my board, as you can see, is me staying focused and me not having distractions, because I can do the work. I just sometimes get a little distracted by partying in the club, you know. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year's, and let's do great things together. I'll see you on my next video.